going to show you a beautiful house on Angel's Trace in Rhodes Ranch. This house is 2,733 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's on the golf course. That's the key feature, among others. This is the entranceway, living room, dining room. I'm going to speed through the rooms because I want to show you the backyard and the golf course. This is a study. Used as a study, it's actually a bedroom. Guest bedroom number 2. Full bath. Guest bedroom number 3 with a view that looks to the back swimming pool and golf course. Swing around to the center of the house. Kind of a recreation room, if you want to call it that. Beautiful kitchen. This area is used often for entertaining. It has the rounded granite. You can see I'm set up for the open house with snacks and materials. Back toward the recreation room, family room area, if you want to call it that. This is used often for parties and goes back toward the pool and the backyard. I will show you that in a minute, but I want to show you the master bedroom. I'm going to turn back over this way. It has a 3-car garage. This is another bathroom here. Washer dryer room and 3-car garage. I'm going to speed past that. No need to show that on the video. This is the master bedroom. It's really huge. The ceilings are 10 feet tall. Look at that view from your bedroom. I'm going to turn toward the bathroom because it's beautiful. It's also beautiful. This flooring is marble. There's marble flooring in the bedroom and the hallways and the bathroom. It's a huge closet here. And I do mean huge. It's done by California Closets. It's extensive. It's the bathroom. It's hard to get the full feeling of how much space there actually is here. And so if you walk from the master toward the sliding glass door, you can literally walk out of your bed into the backyard, swim in the pool. This is sort of a, I know it doesn't look that clear because it's a shaded screen door. And I'm going to show you what the backyard looks like. But basically you can walk into the backyard from your bedroom, which is really cool. So this is what a normal person would do, a guest, not the person living here in the master. And then this is the view from outside. It's the highlight of the video, really, in many ways. So we have the pool, the spa, very, very comfortable sitting area, and an unbelievable expansive view of Rhodes Ranch Golf Course, the 17th hole. I'm going to walk up to the fence because I really want you to see what it looks like. Now if you're here in the evening, you can actually see all the way to the strip, and you can see the lights from the strip. The fencing is, of course, for privacy and golf balls that might come in. Just really, really comfortable out here. And that's it. It's $715,000. It's on Angel's Trace. Come and see. Thank you. Bye.